Dear students, last class we discussed about the FIR filter design using Fourier series method. In this video, we have to learn the design of FIR filter using window techniques, right? Already we know the design steps of window techniques. So let's see one by one. So the desired frequency response of a low pass filter is given by ht of e power j omega equal to e power minus j 3 omega. The omega range is minus 3 by 4 to plus 3 by 4. In the case of 0, the range is 3 by 4 to pi by pi. So we don't consider this value because this value is 0. So only we have the frequency response at this range only, right? So design a filter for m equal to 7 using Hamming window. So for window technique, the first step is specifications. So what are the specifications we need? Order of filter n. So n is given 7. Then WC, cutoff frequency is this range 3 by 4. Then filter type. Filter type is low pass filter. Then window technique types, Hamming window. Then frequency response e power minus j 3 omega. So from this order of the filter, we can find the alpha value n minus 1 by 2 equal to 7 minus 1 by 2 equal to 3, right? So this is our first step. Second step, to find ht of n for low pass filter. So here the filter type is given. So we can use directly low pass filter formula. So the low pass filter formula having the two equations, one equation for n not equal to alpha, another one equation for n equal to alpha. So here alpha range is 3, that is 0 to 3. So we can find the n value from the range of 0 to 3 is enough because the FIR filter is a linear filter. So we can, linear filter means nothing but h of n equal to h of n minus 1 by 2, right? So FIR filter is a linear phase filter. Linear phase filter is nothing but h of n equal to h of capital N minus 1 minus n. If we substitute n equal to 0 to 6, this is our range, right? Small n equal to capital N minus 1. That means n equal to 0 to 6. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We get this 7. But if substitute n equal to 0, then this side capital N is 7 minus 1 minus 0, which is nothing but 6. So h of 0 value equal to h of 6 value. If substitute n equal to 1, then h of 7 minus 1 minus 1. So which is nothing but 5, right? So h of 1 equal to h of 5. So h of 2 equal to h of 4, then h of 3. So that we find alpha value. So the coefficient of n is, we need to substitute 0 to 3 instead of 0 to 6 because it is a linear phase FIR filter. Linear phase FIR filter is nothing but this is the condition for linear phase FIR filter. So we can find 0 to 3, which is equal to 4, 5, 6, right? So this is the low pass filter formula for n not equal to alpha. Now substitute n equal to 0. So 0 not equal to 3. So we can use this formula. So omega c is 3 by 4. N equal to minus alpha equal to 3 divided by n minus 3. Now substitute n equal to 0. So sin 3 by 4 minus 3 divided by pi into minus 3. So using calculator, that is multiply this minus 3 into 3 by 4. Then take sin value. Then the answer divided by minus 3 pi. We get 0.7078. So likewise to substitute n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3. No need to find n equal to 4, 5, 6 because h of 0 answer is equal to h of 5. H of 1 answer is equal to h of 4. Sorry, h of 0 answer is equal to h of 6. H of 1 answer is equal to h of 5. H of 2 answer equal to h of 4. So we can find 0, 1, 2 and 3. If a substitute n equal to 3 means n equal to 3 because alpha value also 3. So if n not equal to alpha only, we can use this formula. If n equal to alpha means alpha also 3, n equal to 3. That condition we can use this formula omega c by pi for n equal to alpha. So omega c is equal to 3 by 4. divided by pi, which is equal to 0.75. Right? Then next third step is find the window coefficient for Hamming type. So Hamming window formula is WHA of n equal to 0.54 plus 0.46 into cos 2 pi n by n minus 1. So here also we have to substitute n equal to 0 to 3 is enough instead of 0 to 6. So now replace n equal to 0. So n equal to 0 means 2 pi 0 divided by capital N 7 minus 1. Then simplify this term and multiply with the cos, then multiply with 0.46, then add with 0.54, we get the value of 1. Then substitute n equal to 1. Likewise, you can simplify, we get these answers for each n value. The next step is multiplication of window coefficient and filter coefficient. So this is ht of n, this is window coefficient. To multiply these two, we get h of n, filter coefficient, right? H of n equal to ht of n and w of n. So we have the individual answer for each n value in both coefficient, that is filter as well as window. Now directly multiply these two, we get this one, then this two, this one. Likewise, we get all these values. So finally, the last step is original filter formula. H of z equal to h of 0 plus summation n equal to 1 to n minus 1 by 2 h of n z power n plus z power minus n. Right? So here n equal to 7. So here n minus 1 by 2 is nothing but 3. So h of 0 is separately we can take. So h of 0 answer is 0.075. Then expand the summation term n equal to 1. So h of 1 is z power 1 plus z power minus 1. H of 1 answer is minus 0.122. This term plus h of 2 answer, then h of 3 answer. So this is the digital FIR filter final answer. Is it clear? So this is the steps for solving the window techniques method. So this is an example of one problem. So if any problem they may asking, we know this frequency response value, filter type, this cutoff frequency and window technique types. If Hamming, instead of Hamming we can use Hanning, means the only difference is in Hamming window formula we replaced a Hanning window and then substitute n value, we get the final answer. So this is the design steps.